In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Workspace to Hostinger. If you've recently started setting up Google Workspace for your domain, one important part of the process is verifying your domain ownership. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do that inside your Hostinger account by adding a TXT record to your DNS settings. This is a simple task, but it's important to enter the details exactly as provided during your Google Workspace setup. Start by opening your Hostinger account and signing in. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Domains section. This is where Hostinger keeps all the settings related to your domain name, including the DNS records you'll need to update. After you click Domains, find the domain you want to connect to Google Workspace and then click Manage. This will open the control area for that specific domain. From there, go to the DNS settings. In many cases, this section is labeled simply as DNS, and it's where you can add, edit, or remove records that control how your domain connects to different services. Inside the DNS area, you'll need to add a new TXT record. A TXT record is commonly used to verify domain ownership, and in this case, it allows Google Workspace to confirm that you control the domain you're trying to connect. Choose TXT as the record type. Then enter the name value if one is provided during the Google Workspace setup process. Next, in the TXT value field, paste the verification code given to you by Google during the initial setup stages of Google Workspace. Make sure you copy it exactly as shown, without extra spaces or missing characters, because even a small mistake can prevent the verification from working correctly. After that, select the TTL value. TTL stands for Time to Live, and it controls how long DNS information is cached. If you're not sure which option to use, the default setting is usually fine in most cases. Once everything is filled in, click Add Record to save the TXT record. At that point, the record will be added to your domain's DNS settings. Keep in mind that DNS changes may take some time to update across the internet, so verification may not happen instantly. If Google Workspace doesn't detect the record right away, give it a little time and try again later. That's how to connect Google Workspace to Hostinger, by adding the required TXT verification record. Just follow the setup carefully, enter the values exactly as provided, and you should be good to go.